Hey there, car fans! Welcome back to Choose Your Ride, your #1 pit stop in everything automotive, where we review, give guidance, and help you choose the right car to suit your lifestyle. Today we are discussing that topic every car owner is concerned with: maintenance costs. Let's face it, having an SUV doesn't have to break the bank. Therefore, I'm bringing you the top 5 SUVs with low maintenance costs. Whether you're going out for a weekend drive or enjoying urban cruising, these SUVs will keep you moving at low costs. So fasten your seatbelt and let's go! The 5th spot in our list is occupied by none other than the much-loved Honda CR-V. This SUV has earned its well-deserved legendary status over the years, and it's no wonder why. The CR-V is well-loved for being incredibly low maintenance, representing Honda's gold standard reliability. With fewer trips to the repair shop, service costs are low, making it a financially friendly dream. Its fuel efficiency doesn't harm your budget, since it's a versatile SUV that is not only dependable but also reasonably priced. It's a perfect match of practicality and performance, a breed apart from the others in its class. At number 4, we have the Hyundai Tucson. This SUV is the perfect blend of style, reliability, and affordability. With its sleek design and intuitive technology, the Tucson isn't just a practical choice, it's a joy to own. And thanks to Hyundai's impressive warranty coverage, you can say goodbye to hefty repair bills. Whether you're after an SUV that's easy on your wallet or one that's a delight to drive, the Tucson checks all the boxes. Strongly placing at number 3 is the classic Toyota RAV4. When talking about certain cars which never quit, Toyota's reputation shines with the lasting reliability of the RAV4. This SUV not only lasts long, but also takes the cake with its shockingly low maintenance and repairs. It excels from daily drivers to weekend fun. The RAV4 is a powerful yet economic machine loaded with necessities. It is a very reasonable decision for anyone seeking an effective ride without stretching the budget. Coming at number 2 has always been the trusty Subaru Forester. Tanky but as smooth as they come, this SUV budget-wise lands great. Some are now standard overhead drives, while other safety features are second to none, making the Forester a go-to for families and explorers alike. The Subaru parts won't be breaking the bank, while the good construction conceals it from big, costly issues. Your pocket will thank you, as will your state of mind. The very hero of the show is none but the #1 Kia Sportage. This SUV is truly an all-in-one performer, with an affordable purchase price, dependable reliability, and impressively low cost of maintenance. The Kia's impressive warranty program assures you further against unpredictable repairs, while its efficient engine and solid fit and finish earn that long-term savings ticket. Whether errands or highways, the Sportage is a clear winner. So there you have it, our top 3 SUVs with the lowest maintenance costs. These rides prove you don't have to sacrifice quality to save money. If you're hunting for an SUV that's easy on your wallet without compromising on features or reliability, any of these options will have you covered. Which one's your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going.